Okay, for this video I want to talk about how we would actually create a discussion thread or discussion post within your course. So we'll jump into a course. We will find discussions on the left-hand side. We'll click discussions. Again, you can see right now I have no discussions created, but I can see that big button up in the corner to say add a discussion, so I'll click on that. And again, my editor, I can choose to give it a topic title. And again, within this editor, I could just type some text as a prompt. If I needed to have them look at an image to think about that and respond back to that image, I could do that. If it's them watching a video and then responding back to that video via discussion, I can do that. If it's a link to something, I can do all those different pieces there. If I need to attach an image or attach a file, I can do that as well. All those different options are there in that editor. Okay, so you put a prompt within there. The great part about this is that even though you may have only used text for your prompt, kids can respond back via pictures, they can respond back via video, they can respond back via text as well. Totally up to you, totally up to them, depending on how they want to respond back to that discussion post. Again, you'll go ahead and choose who you want to post this to. All your sections, all your classes, or that entire course is generally where you're going to assign that to. And then you have some options down below here for discussions that are a little unique. So allowing threaded replies. What this means is you have a main post, a main topic. So a student responds to the main post, and then other students respond back to that student's response. They're all going to thread together so that way they can be collapsible and threaded and kind of grouped together. That may be one that you want to choose for your discussion. This is a great one right here as well, that users must post before seeing other people's replies. This will force students to actually have to post their own information before they can actually see other kids' answers. You can choose to do graded if you want to. If you click on graded, you'll have the kind of same options you would for an assignment. You'd give it a number of points possible. You can include it in the Sync to PowerSchool. You would go ahead and assign it to your entire class or specific people. You'd go ahead and give it a due date as well. If you choose not to do graded, none of those options are there for the due dates. And then you can also have it added to the student's to-do list or allow them to like other students' posts. But regardless, you will give it an available date. So if it's not a graded one, you will give it an available date. So essentially the discussion topic will be open from date A to date Z, whatever you choose for that discussion. And then just make sure you go ahead and click to save and publish. And that discussion post is now live and it's available for your kids to see, and they can start responding back to that. So once your discussion is posted, you'll start seeing replies coming in right below here. You can click the reply button to reply back to specific students' posts or just to the main topic as well. You can choose to search entries by the author name. So if you're looking for a specific student's reply, you can type their name in right there. This will show you just the ones that haven't been read yet. So again, you can easily kind of look through that and see all the discussion posts that are coming back into your main thread there. But that's really how you get a discussion post created within Canvas.